Hi there, Liz here, and we are at EMO's Creative Studio, where anything and everything you create is beautiful because you created it. And we are going to be doing an unboxing of sorts, and this is to the second monthly subscription club that I belong to, and this is for the Fat Quarter Shop, and it is for the Sew Sample box. It is towards the end of the month, and I knew I was going to be doing this unboxing video, so I decided not to look at their website to see what was in the box, and I also have not opened up the box yet. So why don't we get started? So let me talk a little bit about these monthly subscription quilting boxes. There are several, I don't want to say there are many, but there are several monthly subscription boxes for sewing and quilting that I looked into. And the reason I chose the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler was because it was reasonably priced. They are $24.95 a month plus shipping, so it comes out to about 30 bucks. There are other clubs that are a little bit more expensive and they put more things and items into their box, but my budget right now can't afford that. As I budget out a little bit better, I may try that one, and I've decided to cancel my other subscription to the Annie's Fat Quarter subscription because I have all these packages of fat quarters. They have patterns in them, and I just don't want to break into them and start making it. So instead of accumulating the packages, I've decided to save the money and look for another reasonably priced monthly subscription quilting box. So with that being said, let's turn the box around and get it open so we can see what's inside. It comes every month. I've decided to pay for it through my PayPal account, which means that they send me a bill in the month, I pay it, and then they send me my box. It's a pretty good system. I don't have to worry about they're going to take the money out of my account and I don't have money. Okay, so I just cut open the box and now we're going to open it. Every box comes with a cute design. I don't know if you can see the design on the inside cover. It's very cute. It might depict something that might be in the box. Sometimes it doesn't. And every box comes with some kind of a theme. This one says it's the Sew Sampler Crafty Fall November 2018 box. So it comes with this cardboard cover, really nice. It's not crunched, it holds everything together. Once you pull out that cardboard cover, inside it talks about what's in the box and what they're promoting. So the first thing I open up and I see is a vintage Christmas. It's a book by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet Company. It's an advertisement for the book for Christmas blocks for Christmas quilts. As you can see, it's a very cute advertisement. Next thing you see is this is the brochure that talks about what's inside of the box. Now, because I don't know what's in the box, we're going to put this to the side and then we're going to look to see what's in the box. This box comes with a nice collection of darker fabrics. It has a charm pack, some yardage of blue, I believe, with flowers, and then white. I think it's white or ivory yardage, and it also comes with patterns to make. It's called a cupcake mix recipe. And it says it requires a Moda print charm square, Moda Bella solid charm square, or 5x5 background square. What this recipe book is, let's see if I can put it down, there you go. I think this is for paper piecing. I have not paper pieced yet, and it's something that I may dabble into, but for right now I have another collection of these cupcake mix recipe pages. This is like a template. Again, I think it's for paper piecing, but I'm not really sure. This contains 20 recipe cards, and what these recipe cards do is they help you make 20 blocks of this design. As you can see here, let's see. I'm going to make sure that I'm showing you the right thing here. Also inside the box is a small spool of, let's see, is this Aurifil? I'm not sure. It looks like Aurifil, but I'm not sure if it is. It's not marked as. Yes, it is Aurifil. It is Aurifil thread. This is a 50 weight, I believe. And we know about weights from my previous video, but when we look at the brochure for what's inside this box, we'll know a little bit more. And I am a nut for calendars, so guess what this is? This is a monthly calendar. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Of course, the month right here, and then, let me get this box out of the way. And then right here is got a block. And then here's another block. Holy Toledo, and here's another block. And another block, and another block. Oh, I'm just digging this. Excellent, 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 excellent. So this looks like a desk calendar. It's got the folded perforations right here, so you could fold it and put it on your desk. I am going to, you know what, I'm going to leave it up here because I will be eventually moving up to my main studio up here. So let me fold it. And there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And two other items in the book. Let me move this calendar to the side. Loving it, loving it, loving it. This is the Barn Black recipe for the Sew Sampler. Right now they are doing a monthly block, and I believe that's what these cupcake mix recipes are. And here is a nice cardboard pattern. It's block number 8 of this particular quilt that they're making. Gives you instructions, gives you pictures. It's black and white, and then of course a little color on the side. Again, using this beautiful fabric and this and the thread that is coordinating with it. This is a bonus pattern. Also another pattern, sorry. Right here is a pattern booklet, Farm to Garden wall hanging. Very, very cute. You open it up, gives you the picture. This is a 26 by 26 finished quilt or wall hanging. Very cute. Gives you specific instructions with fabric count, how to make the block, different blocks that are in this quilt. Gives you ideas for pin cushions if you want to make pin cushions out of the cute little blocks, and then how to put together the blocks. I'm really liking this very, very much. This is designed by Carrie Nelson. Very cute, very cute, very cute. All right, let's go back. Let me put my items right here. So this is what was in the box here. And then my absolutely very cool calendar, which I'm going to use up here in my sewing. My recipe, my cupcake mix recipes for blocks, my fabric, and then the recipe booklet, and then my Aurifil thread. So let's take a look at the booklet that came with it. First of all, this is the Garden Variety Charm Pack. As you can see right here, that's what this is. And it's showing you the different types of fabrics. It's a very nice color collection. It has several colors, dark to light. Very nice. And then here is the yardage that comes along with it. I believe it's a yard of this material, fabric. And let me see, let me turn it so I can read it. From Farm to Garden Finishing Kit, you've got the charm pack. You've got the charm pack right here, like I said. Charm pack right here. And then finishing fabrics, the floral and then the solid. And then below here is, I'm sorry, I'm filming a different way, so sorry. This is the mini cupcake mix recipe number 2. Like I said, I already received one in one of my other boxes. I'm going to turn it so I can read it. This cupcake mix recipe number 2 includes 20 recipe cards that yield 8 1.5-inch finished half square triangles or 8 1.25 finished half square triangles. 2 assembled recipe cards make 1 6-inch or 5-inch finished block. You are making the dashing star blocks with ease. And then they're talking about this fabulous calendar. Sorry. So I push everything out of the way. This fabulous calendar. The 2019 Fat Quarter Shop desktop calendar will keep you organized and looking good. The sturdy stand-up calendar charts from December 2018 to December 2019 with major holidays marked. I'm really liking the calendar. We go to the back, and it is the, oh, look at this. This is an 80 weight Aurifil white, natural white 100 cotton thread. This is my first 80 weight, so this is going to be super fine thread. Carrie Nelson of Miss Rosie's Quilts from Moda Fabrics has hand-selected the spool of 80 weight thread to perfectly coordinate with the Garden Variety collection. Carrie finds that the silky 80 weight thread simply disappears into the fabrics when quilting her wall hanging and pin cushions. Wow, it's 80 weight. I can't wait to use this. I want to see how well it stands up. Then we've got the last item on our brochure talks about, no, the second to the last, is the Farm to Garden wall hanging pattern, which is this. And you can make it either big or small, or you can even make both if you want. One charm pack has enough fabric to make both an adorable penny and a 26-inch square quilt that could do triple duty as a wall hanging, a tabletop, or even a pillow top. It says, what a cute combo for your sewing area. Now, you can actually watch how to make this tutorial on YouTube through the Fat Quarter Shop. And then the last thing they talk about is the barn quilt recipe number 8, which is this item right here. And it talks about join us as we travel the countryside and make 12 unique, inspiring barn blocks. You pick up a barn block kit and coordinate Aurifil barn block thread, of course, through their Fat Quarter Shop. So this was a very nice box. I'm glad I didn't look at it. I'm glad that you can actually see how excited I really was with getting the items in this box. I'm really digging this calendar. Let's see. There you go. I really love this calendar. Perfect. It stands up. I'm going to stand it up right here in the corner of my desk or my tabletop. I'm going to put everything else back into the box so I can put it away. Great. I love it. Again, this is these boxes are generally filled with items that cost more than 30 bucks. Other items that I've received in my Sew Sampler box have been notions, again, thread. I've received cutters, rotary cutters. I've received rulers. I've received pins, straight pins. I've received lapel pins. I really like this particular box. Again, this is the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler monthly subscription quilting box. So that you know, I purchased these boxes by myself with my own money. This has not been given to me so that I can review. I, again, purchased this with my own monies. This is not an endorsed video. It's my recommendation that if you're looking for a monthly subscription quilting box and you are trying to budget your money, this is a good bet for your money. So my name is Liz. We are at EMO's Creative Studio, where anything and everything you create is beautiful because you created it. Like, subscribe, share on social media with your friends. If you subscribe to my channel, click on the little bell below so that you can get notice that I've put up videos. With that being said, I'm going to start putting up more videos on a more regular basis. I'm going to try to do at least one a week, and I'm going to graduate to at least 2 a week. I am busy making gifts for Christmas, so I think until the beginning of the year I'll probably be doing only one video, for sure one video a week. So until the next time, happy quilting, happy sewing, take care. Bye.